Hello again, it's Noob, and it's time for another little midweek special video. Got a couple of packages in the post which I'm very excited about, and I just wanted to share them with you. You might recognise this being the logo, the sticker from Charles Current, who runs the Locksportcast YouTube channel. And I have to say that if you haven't hooked up with that channel yet, you really should. It's really very good. He keeps up on all the latest lockpicking, locksport news and information, and it's really fantastic podcast. Anyway, I'll come on to what that is in a second. Here is another package from another member of the community, actually, Daz Evers, who I think a number of you will already know. A fantastic picker, great pick maker as well, and I'm super excited to see what's in this. But first we'll have a look at what's inside this. Now I do know what's inside this, but I will open it up for you and you can see too what it is. It's a nice box, well wrapped, lots of packages in there, and oh no, here it is. It is a Lockie Award. And if you don't know what this is, then don't worry. It's new this year, and it was organised by Charles Current. And what this was is a really well organised sort of set of awards where I think various categories were set up. So there's so many categories. I'm going to have to leave you a link to the Lockie Awards video just so you can see all the categories. And there's so much organisation went into this because you had to not only organise what categories were, but get people to vote on what videos would go into which categories, and then people to vote on those categories, and then to actually do a video on the awards, and then to like intersplice clips from each of the videos from the winners. I mean, the amount of effort that Charles Current went into for these awards is just outstanding, and dare I say, far more effort than I put in for the video that won this, which was for best audio, which is a strange category to win, but I absolutely still appreciate it, because any recognition in this community at all is wonderful, because I love this community. It's an amazing community of lock pickers and lock sporters, and generally super positive as well. People helping each other and trading and swapping and just generally being helpful and tool making, and just, you know, it's a really non-toxic community. So to win any recognition from it at all, for whatever reason, no matter how big or small, I adore. So thank you so much. If you voted for me for best audio for that video, I will leave all the various links below in the description, of course, so you can explore that more. But I think we all have to just say thank you to Charles Current for the amount of organisation that and time and effort that went into this. I mean, there was websites had to be put up, 3D printing, design, lots of editing, voting. I mean, I do this quite regularly, and I know just quite how much effort that takes, and I appreciate that an awful lot too. Anyway, so thank you from, I guess, all of us to Charles Current for all the efforts, and that's a really cool award, isn't it? First of all, I have done 3D printing, and I've used sorts of metallic colours, but I've never seen one as shiny as this. It's like that satin finish gold. It's really good. It's really shiny. It's amazing, really, and it's an actual practical pinning tray. But yeah, I'm going to put that on my shelf with the very few other awards I've won for various picking competitions and various other things. Yeah, it's true, not very big picking competition, but I have won some stuff. So yeah, very cool. Awesome. Right. So thank you so much for that. And here is a box of stuff from Daz Evers. This is, I think, his tape, and this is my tape to cover up the various addresses and stuff. So I thought it was important that you knew whose tape it was. I think that I didn't want any rumours going around. Don't want like a tape gate or anything. There we go. Is that it? Or do I need to cut more? A little bit here. should be able to... Ah, there we go. Should be able to get in from here, shouldn't we? Okay. I don't even know where to start. Start with this one. Oh, yes. That's a Van Volt. And that's a Bergvaktor key. So that's clearly not the right one. Van Volt padlock. I picked one of these, which was a... Did I pick a dimple one of these, or was that a Godreg? I can't remember. But this is a dimple lock Van Volt. I can't remember if I picked one of these or not, but I think that they are pins which are literally opposing each other all the way down. No, or is it a triple bitting? It's a triple bitting. I wonder if there's a key in here. Yeah. No, I don't think I picked one of these. I'm not sure. It's a triple... It has got like a three-way bitting on, which is kind of cool. And you can see on the key, it looks like Van Volt have actually upgraded their security. So this is an awesome one. I'm so glad that I get a chance to pick that upgraded version. That's really cool. What's this one? Mammoth security. It looks like a disc. Yeah, it's a disc lock. Nice bitting. I think that's the key. Let's have a look. It is. So we have a disc detainer from Mammoth Security. A nice bit of wood there. I don't know what wood that is. I think Daz mentioned this in a message to me about who's going to send something. I can't remember exactly what wood this is, but I can. The grain on it is so tight. That's going to take a really nice polish just through friction and a bit of beeswax, I think. Don't know what it is, but it's really, really hard and very, very nice. Love it. Ooh, I've seen one of these and I've wanted one, but I have never had the pleasure. It is a beautiful Vachette, almost like a handbag lock. It's hard and trackable, very nice. A French brand. Isn't that beautiful? Really nice. You really don't see many of these in the UK. But the French make some really great locks, some very like strange and interesting ones as well. Bricard and Fichet, Vachette. All sorts of ones. And Daz did mention this to me as well, that he's made some stickers. These are good, aren't they? Look at that. I've got a couple there. Definitely going pride of place on my case. I really like Daz's stuff. And definitely, if you haven't checked it out, check it out. So yeah, you've got two things to do. If you haven't seen them, go to the Lock Sportcast and that Charles Current runs, and of course Dab Evers lock picking channel as well. This is cute. I really like this. Very cute. Oh, that must be for the key. Bergvaktor Delta stainless steel. I don't think I picked one of these. Very cute though. Very cute lock. The 66040 Bergvaktor Delta. Yeah, I picked two disc. So I picked two disc locks like this that are, I guess, a version of a dimple lock. One was a Godreg, and one was a Van Volt. But yeah, this is clearly a better core than both of those. Oh wow, what is this? This is a beautiful made in Denmark. Oh, look at that. Discarded. Poor thing. Oh, this is the evil Ruko I've heard about. I think Daz did a video on this. Apparently it's like really hard to pick. And I don't know anything about it, but I do know the first pick I'm going to try to use in it is... I've got one to hand. Hopefully it's one of my favourite picks, so I'm probably going to try to use one of these, which is a Sparrow's Lunatic, which is one of those ones which I wrote off and never thought would be a useful profile until I started using it, and then I realised I was massively wrong. And the reason is, you can probably see there, if I can use it, I can probably just about pick pin 1, 2, 3, 4 behind pin 2, possibly. That's what I'm going to try out anyway. I've had some success in picking Ruko padlocks before with the Sparrow's Lunatic because of its really good reach. But I love that key bow. That's awesome. Look at that. Love it. Well, apparently this is a really evil Ruko. But look at that. It's gorgeous, isn't it? Hardened steel Ruko. Absolutely beautiful lock. So there you go. I am a super happy and lucky noob. I've got my Locky Award. Oh, do you know what I was going to show you? Probably at the end of the video. So I was going to show you, it said best audio. This is my new microphone. There we go, I'll bring it in. There you go. It's made by a company I've never heard of called Boya. But I did have a premium brand. I'm not going to embarrass any brands out there, but it was use a premium brand, one which is used by a lot of YouTubers, and it broke and just would not work after about just after it came out of warranty. It lasted about a year. I've had this Boya one for longer, and I have to say I actually prefer the sound. So like I said, I'm not going to embarrass any companies by naming names and shaming, but all that I will say is I do recommend the Boya, even though I've never heard of them. And of course your mileage may vary. It's hard to say from the experience of buying one whether they're any good, but I'm happy with the one I've got. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that video. I've really enjoyed going through it. Thank you again for the award. Really appreciate it. Thank you, Daz, for all the amazing locks. I can see I've got a challenge there. And I can't wait to get my teeth into this Van Volt in particular, just because, as I said before, I picked a couple of the disc locks with the dimple cores, but this one is just like one step better with the triple bitting. So yeah, really cool. Right, thank you. I'll see you all next time.